Hey everyone. So today I'm going to discuss the chart of HDFC Life. We are going to discuss a daily chart of HDFC Life and see if there is any opportunity to take a long or a short trade in HDFC Life. So to begin with, here I have HDFC Life, the daily chart of HDFC Life opened up in Trading View. So along with the candlestick chart, I have the exponential moving averages. The red one is the 50-day exponential moving average, and the green one is 200-day exponential moving average. Apart from that, I have RSI as well as the volume profile. So to begin with, if you look at the last 1.5 year pattern, the stock tried to make a high of around 760 over here in the month of September. After that, we have seen a consistent selling in the stock, like it has gone from all the way to from all the way from all the way of 760 levels to 500 levels. Right here, you can see a clear downtrend. Let me just draw a trend line over here. So you can see this. This was a clear downtrend. Uh, and this downtrend intensified from this point. Once it, you can see here, like after this point, like the stock was below its, after this point the stock was below its 200-day exponential moving average, and after that we see a very sudden drop in the price. If you can compare the slope of this downward move and this downward move, this is much steeper. So and that is quite expected. Like once the stock breaks its 200-day exponential moving average as well as its 50-day exponential moving average, there are a lot of people who exit their positions, or if they have gone long, and there would be a lot of people who would kind of short the stock. Also, if you see here, there was a very good support resistance zone at 660 levels, which this stock, once after breaking this, it tried to retest. And here there was a confluence of two things. There was a resistance zone, as well as there was a resistance from the support resistance level, and there was a resistance from this trend line, as well as there was a resistance from the 200-day exponential moving average, as well as 50-day exponential moving average. So this was a very good point to short this stock. Well, that was just for the informative purpose. We'll focus on what is the chart telling us now at the current moment. So if you observe here, after making a low of around 500, the stock has tried to consolidate, like from the month of March of 2022 up till now, the stock is consolidating. You can see, like, let me just draw that zone. Okay, so you can see this clear consolidation zone. The stock tries to take support at around 520 levels, goes up till 600, faces resistance over there, comes down to 520, again goes there, again comes down to 520, again goes to 600 levels, faces some resistance, and now we have again, like, now it has given a breakout. We can say like it has given a breakout above 600. Now if you look at this chart, one thing that you can observe here is the price, from this point onwards, the price has always faced resistance at its 200 exponential moving average. This is the first place, the second time, and the third time as well. But now the price has moved past its 50-day as well as its 200 exponential moving average. And you can also see here that now this 200-day as well as 50-day exponential moving average is acting as a support for the price. And once it is coming to that level, it has bounced back. Also, if you look here, we can see a golden crossover. Like for those people who don't know golden crossover is the 50-day exponential moving average cutting the 200-day exponential moving average from bottom. And this is one of a very good bullish signal. So whenever this happens, we should look for opportunities to go long. Now this time, it looks like the stock gave breakout of about 600 levels, and it is trying. It looks like it is trying to retest at 600 levels. It looks like the stock is forming a very good base at this level, at 600. It is trying to retest the 600 level, and once this base is created, it might give you a good move. It might give us a very good move up till uh, up till this levels, like this one. Yeah, up till 640. The first target would be somewhere around 640. Now where does that come from? You can see here this peak that it made, as well as this support. It took support at this zone. So somewhere here could be our first target, and I've marked it over here. Now once it passes this level, the next and a very good level could be the 660 level. 660 level has been a very good support resistance zone for this stock. Now once this 640 levels are broken, we can expect a move up till 660. Okay, so once we cross the 640 level, the next target could be somewhere around 660. If you look at the chart for this stock, 660 has been a very good level. You know, when the stock has been on the upside, the price tries to take support at that 660 level. You can see here it has taken support multiple times. So we do expect, like, if the stock makes a upward move from here on, the first target could be somewhere around 640, and the second one would be around 660. Now, if you look at this at a trade, like, if you are interested in taking a trade, you can put a stop loss somewhere around the bottom of this candle, this rejection candle over here. We can see here, like, the stock is not giving us a close below 598 levels. So I would suggest you keep a stop loss somewhere below the week, slightly below the week of this candle. A stop loss of around 592 or 593 would be a good uh, level to exit the stock. Like, if it breaks that level, you must exit the stock. So if we just look at the risk reward ratio over here, like, if we try to enter at the current price, or say whatever the opening price tomorrow we get, then we will have a risk of around, I'll put a stop loss at around 592. Let's keep it 593.5. Okay, let's keep it 593. And on the upside, the first target would be around 640, so that would give you around 5.8% return. That comes out to be a risk reward of around 2.8. And if it goes till 660, which I am very much hopeful that it would go, then it can give us a return of around 9%, with the risk reward ratio is around 4.4, which is very good risk reward ratio. So I would suggest, for those people who want to take position in HDFC Life, you can start taking you can start accumulating small quantities in this zone. If it breaks down, exit below 592, and on the upside you could see a targets of around 660, 640, and then 660.